Hi, this is Allison with Lincoln County Public Library System, and I am going to show you how to log into your online account through our mobile site. I am doing this on my cell phone, so I might have fumble fingers, but just bear with me. So what you want to do is you want to go to mylincolnlibrary.org the same way you would if you were going on your desktop. And it brings you to a very different looking site. Now, this actually is not our library catalog site. It's something a little different. But what you do is you scroll down, scroll past Search All Library Resources, continue to scroll down until you get to this area that starts with emergency alerts, quick links, etc. And if you click Library Catalog, it'll say you are now leaving our website. That is okay. Click OK. And now you are in our card catalog, and you can log in up here, upper right hand corner. And this is true also for your tablet. If you were on your tablet, it might be a little slow to respond, but you just have to be a little patient, and eventually it'll bring things up. So I'm going to log in using my example login. And here I am. I am now in my account. So I can do lists, I can refresh e-content, I can search. So I'm going to search for, let's see, I'm going to search for Legos. And I hit search. And it brings me here. No, I do not mean Eggos. And here we go. So this is our card catalog mobile version. And you can click on the titles to find out where it's located. This one's at Jonas. If I want to place a hold, I place request. I can expand the information all the way down, seeing where everything is, and it gives you all of that info. And if you're patient, you get back into the novelist info and all that. So thank you for joining me. I hope this helped, and have a nice day.